How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Google Chrome or any type of preferred browser. Then here simply search for Facebook/marketplace. Simply search for it. Then here go to the first site. Then here, as you can see, it says marketplace isn't available to you. Now in order to fix this problem, simply open your Play Store or App Store. Then here on the search menu, simply search for Facebook. Simply click onto the application. Then here you can see an option named App Support. Simply click onto it. Then here simply click on email. Now here you will be redirected to the application's email. Now here simply describe your problem, that you aren't able to access Facebook Marketplace. After that, simply if possible then provide a screenshot as well. Then simply click on the send button on the top right corner. Then within few hours or within few days, the team Facebook will reach out to you and guide you through the fix to your problem. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.